Hello student, today let us see how to create mail merge in OpenOffice. So I am clicking on OpenOffice and first open the text document. Now this is the main document where we are typing the letter. It is the main document. So I am increasing the font so that it become larger. Just wait. 22. Okay. Now suppose I am drafting one common letter and dispatching it to different people. So one way is you can type each people the same letter on the computer, and it is time consuming. Another method which is provided in word processor is mail merge. In mail merge I have to type one letter only, then merge different people names and address into this main letter, means main document. So this technique is known as mail merge. So let us start how it is possible. So what I am doing is I am first typing the letter here, and it will be my main document, because this common letter, it has to be dispatched to different people with different addresses. Now suppose I am drafting a letter through principal to the school students' parents. So to, then I will be writing the name and address, give some space, then type the letter here. Dear, then your parents' name will come here, then you are invited to attend the annual function at our school on 31st December 2024 at 5 p.m. Now this is a short letter, and here it is from the principal, so I will simply writing here principal. Now after that what I will do is I will just click below the 2. Here your parents name and address will come, and your parents name will come. So next step is to create the data source. So data source, how I have to create? I have to go to file, then come to new, then click on database. Once I click on database, it is asking me to create a new database, so I will be clicking on next. Yes, I want to register the database for me, so I have to click on finish. Now it will ask me to enter the name. Name is the database file name, so I am simply entering here SARAF, Sarraf. So this is the name of my database, Sarraf. So I will be clicking on save option, and now as soon as I click on that one, I will get different type of interface, that is database. Now the second step is, already table has been selected by default, so what I have to do is create table in design view. Now here I will get this type of box, so I have to write the name here. So type name, NAME, name. So name is in text, then in the second column write address, and to be again in text, means varchar. So save the file. So clicking here I can save the file. So by default it is table 1, so let it be table 1. So click on OK. So no primary key, so by default it is been created, so I will simply clicking on yes. So ID is my primary key, so you can see the key here, so primary key. Now I will close this one. Now I get the table here at the bottom, you can see here. So double click on the table, and now ID I will be entering 1, the name of the parents, suppose Amit, and address is Khatima. Press enter key. Then 2. Suppose Akansha. Then Banbasa. Similarly, I can add any name. Nitin. Suppose Khatima again. Then number 4. Mohit. Then Tanakpur. Then number 5. Vishnu. Sitargan. Suppose I am typing only the 5 names here. One thing you have to remember is, it depends how many names you are entering in this data source, means in the table, that much letter will be generated by the computer. So since I have written here only 5 names and address, so in my case the number of letters that will be generated is 5. So I have to save this file. So clicking on this save. Now student, what you have to do is, now I can close it. The second step is to then go to insert. Then the second step, fields. That we do is, fields, you have to ensure that other. After 2, now you get this type of dialog box, that is field dialog box. So database name, sorry, this merge field names. So I have to merge here. So field names have to merge here. Now you can see this, all these are plus symbol. So initially I have saved the name of the database by Sarraf. So in the left hand side you can see the plus symbol, click on plus. Then inside the database I have created one table, you might remember by the name table 1. In this I have given name and address. So in the left hand side of the table you can see plus symbol, click on that. Now see, ID, name and address has come. So click on name, then at the bottom you can see click on insert. So as soon as you click on insert, you can see here in the main document, this in the angular braces name comes. Similarly, click on address and then click on insert. So this, so name and address has come now. Then close it. Now what you can do is, you can give the address at the bottom and dear. Now your parent's name will come. Again go to insert, fields, other, then click on this under Sarraf table, click on name, then click on insert, then close it. Now you can see this is the formation which a letter will be drafted to. Your father name will come, your address, then again dear, your father name. And it is not now fully merged, but this is the second step. Now final step, what you have to do is, you have to merge all the names in this main document. So for this one, what I will do is, I will go to tools, then mail merge wizard. Now you can see this. Now here you have to simply click on next till step 6. If you want to edit any document, you can edit it, or go to step 7. So I am drafting letter, you can see here. If you want the email message, so you can select this one, this option. So I am simply typing the letter here, and any address block which you want that should appear, so you can give this one. But since we Indians are in the habit of writing name, address, so I will click on next, again next, then edit. If you want to edit any document, you can do changes here. You can click here, edit document, then click on next. Now it has generated 5 letters. So what I will do is, come here, edit individual document. Mm, Now one thing you can see is, if you want to still edit this one, you can edit. Now suppose I want to edit here, so at one line I will writing here, uh, viewers truly, suppose this is the thing that I need to mention here, then I write principal. So this I have added. So first name is Amit. You can even rearrange it one like this. Then simply say the second letter which you have written here, it is Akansa Banbasa. So I will be scrolling here. You can see third name Nitin, fourth name is Mohit, and fifth name is Vishnu Sitarganj. So these are the five letters that I have generated. Now here you can see the dialog box written to the mail wizard. So I will be clicking on next, and I can save the document. So save the merge document, save as a single document. So click on save. It will give the dialog box. See here, it will be saved in my document. Suppose I am giving here uh, letters by the name letters. So it will be saved by the name letters, and five letters will be generated. So if I click on save option, then click on finish. Now I can close this one. We discard it. Discard it. Now I will be going to my document. My see document here, in document letters. Letter C here. This is the letter. This is the letter that I have saved it. So double click on it. So five letters will be generated. This is the simple process. You can check here. This is the first letter Amit, then Akansa, Banbasa, Nitin Khatima, Mohit Tanakpur, Vishnu Sitarganj. So this is the concept of the mail merge. So main document is what we have written the letter here. It is same for all, and data source here name and address it changes. So this is how a letter is drafted for different people in any organization. Hope you understood this one. Thank you.